6 a.m. guys. Namaskaram. So today is satsang. It's Sunday. Every second Saturday we have satsang. And today is 5:55 a.m. and it's at 7:30 a.m. We'll be there for 2 hours. And I'll finish my Shakti Chalana Kriya and leave because Shambhavi guided Shambhavi we'll be able to do over there. So that is the plan. And yeah, let me do my sadhana. Guys, early morning. Dad is doing something. Tiles fixing. ഇത് പൊട്ടിയതാ ഈ ഇതല്ലേ പൊട്ടിയ ടൈല് ടൈൽ ഫിക്സിംഗ് ഗൈസ് Guys, Dad needs to do yoga. He can't sit on the ground. His tummy is not allowing him to.
അച്ഛനെ നാണം കെടുത്തു.
എനിക്കൊരു നാണക്കേടില്ല.
ഒരു നാണക്കേടുമില്ല. എന്റെ നല്ല കത്തിയാണ് എടുത്തത്. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഇളക്കി പൊങ്ങി പോന്നായിരുന്നോ?
Okay, today I'll take my Bugatti Veyron. Sorry, Bugatti Chiron. I think that is the latest model. I am at my aunt's place to give her glasses. It's raining very heavily. I've just reached the satsang place, and 7:30 to 9:30 that's the satsang time. It is also available online, so yeah, we'll go attend, and then it's a nice dosha place. Okay guys, our satsang is over. On his track. പറഞ്ഞോളാ ഗോകുലണ്ണൻ യോഗാസന Due to popular demand, we have Archana Chunk. Look at that walk. Supermodel Archana Keda cat walk. Wherever she is, she will walk. വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ നടുക്കൂടി ക്യാറ്റ് വാക്ക്. വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നടുക്കൂടി പ്രാക്ടീസ് ക്യാറ്റ് വാക്ക്. ഓ വാ, മിസ് യൂണിവേഴ്സ് 2029. നമസ്കാരം നമസ്കാരം. Okay, so we are at this place called Idyllic Cafe. So yes, it serves like nice dosha and everything. Where is Archanaka and Gobiaka? Yes, they are there in front. There they are. And we'll also order some stuff. Archanaka is such a sport. She is paying the entire bill with her Google Pay. So if you come here, Archanaka will pay the bill. Coffee, badam milk, and one black tea without sugar. നമ്മുടെ ഡോണ്ട് വറി.
This is ghee. I mean, oh, this is ghee pudi tattiti. Okay, so there is ghee, there is pudi, there is idli. You have to pour the ghee on this and then have. That is specially asked by me. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's try that. Then you have vada.
Archanaka 20% tall is there. So.
He himself is destroying the box. And then you have badam milk, filter coffee, and black tea.
Okay, please try.
Few more items to come. Gobi akka try.
Yes, Gobi I will try. Not vada. Vada everyone tries. This one.
നന്നായിട്ട് മിക്സ് ചെയ്തോക്കാം. ചട്നി, പക്ഷേ നെയ്യുടെ ടേസ്റ്റാണ് കൂടുതൽ നിൽക്കുന്നത്. നെയ്യ് അധികം മിക്കാതിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഐ വിൽ ടേസ്റ്റ് വിത്തൗട്ട് take the podi, mix it in sambar, take the chutney, take all the chutneys and then this is actually chili chutney, chili mixed with coconut oil. It's really nice. Aishwarya, you try.
I'll try. Guys, with fake review, I'll give real review.
Go on. North Indian
Very soft. Very soft.
soft and the puli not too much soft. How is it? See, when I say it's good, it's fake. When he says it's good, it's true.
It is good.
Masala also is super.
Ano? This is just like the one in Bangalore. A kadada where? This is Medu Vada. American donut was copied from this. And a guy from America came. I think I am making up. Oh, now you are not supporting my store. This is why I don't support yours.
That foreigner's name was some Brendan McCullum.
Brendan McCullum. And he copied this. So basically, donut is the American vada, not the opposite. Our crispy ghee roast and masala dosha. Crispy ghee roast and masala dosha sponsored by Achanaka.
Sponsored.
Yes, guys, sponsored.
Tasty.
Tasty, Akka. Come on. You have to taste and tell.
I am not a big fan of ghee.
Oh, you don't like ghee?
ghee.
Oh, no, it's Oh, wow. Guys, this is not how you eat the masala dosa. Spoiled.
I think this is a copying of the Ram. I think this is actually an inspired version of Rameshwar Cafe in Kochi. Just see the dosa which is exactly like that. Soaked in ghee. Then you have red chili paste spread all over it and then the masala. Here also the normal ghee, but again the dosa is little thicker and crispy. Got tasty.
Simple but powerful.
Java simple.
Guys, Achanaka didn't eat masala shah properly.
You are not eating properly because there is no masala.
Okay, next bite it will come. Why are you fighting with me?
Carry on.
Poor Sedu Annan.
I am used to it now. Hearing poor Sedu. How's it?
ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് എടുക്കാതെ. ശരിയാ, ലിറ്റിൽ സോൾട്ട് ഇസ് ലെസ്.
കുറവാണല്ലേ?
Guys, I would like to review this. എന്താ ഇതിന്റെ പേരെന്തായിരുന്നു? ബദാം ഷേക്ക്. But before that, I would like to show you Archana's new watch. Please show Archana's new 20,000 rupee watch. Yes, guys, Fossil self-binding atomic clock. Even James Bond doesn't have it.
So, see, the scene at home now is, every day morning after buying this 20,000 watch, I have to sit and mind. Look at another clock and mind.
Guys,
But it's really nice.
Very nice.
Color combination.
So now we'll go to Badam Shake review. Shake
Milk.
Very sugary, very nice. Some flies have even their content in it. So I can have, you can have. Endur sneham.
I don't have because I don't take milk.
I'm also trying to reduce my sugar.
ഭയങ്കര മധുരമാണോ?
അത് ഭയങ്കര മധുരമില്ല, ഭയങ്കര മധുരമില്ല.
ചുമ്മാ ഒരു സിപ്പ് എടുത്തോളൂ.
I'm actually trying to reduce my sugar. So once in a while, but while doing food reviews, yeah.
ബദാമിന്റെ ടേസ്റ്റ് അങ്ങോട്ട് അധികം വരുന്നില്ല, മധുരം അല്ലേ? ബദാമിന്റെ ടേസ്റ്റ് വരുന്നില്ല.
Badam they put a powder actually. ആ പൗഡറിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ തന്നെ ഷുഗർ എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ ഇഷയുടെ മറ്റേ അവിടെ അങ്ങനെയല്ല. മൂന്നര ഓൾസോ
ഈ വീട് അതിരപ്പുറമാണത് അല്ലേ? Guys, I am actually taking. I'm going to remove my braces soon, and then I'll take Vaishna's vlog, and he'll rip off his personal life and secrets to you, as he does to everybody else.
nothing to do. You guys know.
No.
I'm an open.
I'm training him, and I'm giving some sample questions. Wait for it. It's going to be a hit. The first vlog which will hit million likes.
I only get 100 views per vlog. That is good.
Don't worry, I will post in my account.
100 views, good guys. 100 people. Thank you for watching.
The regular 100 people.
Including my mother, Andy, Vinilchi, my Amachi. Thank you guys for watching.
The regular 100 people.
Regular 100 people. And now Gobeka also watches in her big screen TV.
Malu.
Malu.
That is because her mother is there in your vlog.
Gobeka and her daughter does not agree me doing sadhana without shirt. Why is that?
എനിക്ക് കുഴപ്പമില്ല. എന്താ?
They don't like my.
ഷർട്ടില്ലാണ്ട് പിന്നെ
Archanaka, how much is the bill?
We had this much, and then per person is costing around 150.
Oh, that's
Cheap.
cheap.
974
Special Archana discount type ARCH 10.
It's not sponsored. I'll send you the bill.
Sponsored, guys. And Gobeka, what are you taking parcel for Malu?
നാളെ അമ്മയ്ക്ക്
Ammaki, sorry Malu, you are not loved by your mother. I know it's a trauma, childhood. You have to go through it.
മസാല ദോശ ഇഷ്ടമല്ല.
Oh, she doesn't like masala dosa. What are you buying, Archanaka?
I bought, actually my mother wanted to come to this cafe in the evening, so I thought I'll get her a parcel so that I need not come back again. So I have bought idli, ghee pudi tattidli.
See, it's usually parents who give trauma to kids. See a kid who gives trauma to their parents.
bad.
It's so correct.
So bad.
So correct.
He's projecting himself as so nice. In fact, that is not the truth. He's
It is the truth.
mischievous guy you will ever meet.
Yeah.
One day I'm coming to take the photo of your parents.
അയ്യോ ഞാൻ അമ്മയെടുത്ത് പറയാം എനിക്ക് പോഡ്കാസ്റ്റ് തരാൻ ഞാൻ പോഡ്കാസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന നിന്റെ എല്ലാം തീരുമെന്നാന്ന് പറയാണ്
എനിക്ക് 22 രൂപ ഇട്ടേക്കുന്നു. 2 മസാല ദോശ മേടിച്ചിട്ട്.
only 22 rupees.
22 ഇട്ടേക്കണം. അല്ല. അത്
ചെക്ക്.
GST ഒക്കെ പിന്നെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടത്.
സാധാരണ 1 രൂപ 2 രൂപയ്ക്ക് 22 രൂപ അതെന്ത് കണക്ക് ഗീ ദോശ ഹാസ് ബീൻ റബ്ഡ് ഓഫ് വിത്ത് ഗീ ഗൈസ്
എത്ര രൂപയാണ്? 85.
85.
And almost Devi number 133. The ghee podi is 95, badam milk 38, milk coffee is 47, black tea 14, vada one is 38. വടക്ക് ഒരെണ്ണത്തിന് 38.
ഇതിന് നല്ല
വട
taste.
സെറ്റാണ് 40 രൂപ. സിംഗിൾ വട 20. താങ്ക് യു.
വട സെറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ എന്താ?
വട സെറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2 വടയാണോ? ആയിരിക്കും. Guys, Archana guys harassing me. she wants to know my traumatic story, guys. No, leave me alone, lady.
You should get a taste of what you're doing.
Guys, unsubscribe from Archana's non-existing channel.
See, it's
Let it never exist.
guys, stay tuned. It's going to come next month, okay?
Nobody can see you, Akka.
Let's see.
See, nobody can see you.
Let's see.
There is no Archana, guys.
See, now I'm coloring, okay?
Oh.
Say no, I'm going to hit you. Gopiaka.
We have dropped off Gopiaka. Bye. This is Vigaland flat, guys. Very rich people stay here. We have Sidhu's carrot cake. Mina will cut.
ഫസ്റ്റ് സാലറി കിട്ടിയപ്പം വല്യച്ഛനും വല്യമ്മക്കും ഐശുവിനും കൊണ്ടുവന്നതാണ്
Carrot cake.
ക്യാരറ്റ് കേക്ക്.
Okay guys, mom is wearing sari, that's why you won't take her. So that's the end of today's daily week, and I spent some time with my parents watching the movie Srikanth on Netflix. Awesome movie. It's inspired from a real person who is visually challenged. So but such a beautiful movie, so well made. Tears will come. I would highly suggest you watch it on Netflix. If you don't have Netflix, use Telegram. No, don't use Telegram, guys. Subscribe to Netflix and use legal stuff. And yeah, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, and I messed up big time with my mic today. My mic, I forgot to switch it on. That's why certain parts over where Archanaka is saying the voice is not clear, else it would have been such a beautiful audio. But I'm sorry, guys. I will make sure to keep it right.